All right. We are now live. Pulling up chat right now. All right, we're good. All right, I'm going to send out to the Discord that we're live. All right. So what am I looking for as bias right now? So we just tapped into this new week opening gap. All right, I'm gonna post on the Instagram that we're live. So could see some delivery off this new week opening gap. We do have an hourly for value gap here that we did tap into. We inverse this to the upside. Really small though. And then we closed back below it. So don't really know what type of bias to have here, kind of ranging. Okay, we're down below 5,000 now on ES. Let me go on here as well. All right. All right, I'm posting that we're live on Instagram as well. All right, I posted that we're live. Sorry about that. All right, so for bias, I don't really know. I mean, we are coming out of this new week opening gap. Hourly also coming out of it, but we have this 1 hour here that we could be delivering out of. 15-minute just delivery as well. So I don't really know what we should look for here. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe delivery out of the hourly. Don't really know right now. And no news this morning. All right, good. How long until market opens? I'm probably gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait till market open, probably, unless we get like an amazing setup. But doubt we get an amazing setup in the next like 4 candles. I'm gonna put my hair back again, like I've been doing. So we have a 30-second. Dang, that candle, bro. What? We have equal highs. Ooh, triple relative, anyways. But there is perfect equal highs as well. On the 5-minute as well. Have longs been failing though? Let me see. This one, sweep, delivery, break even, partial. I just have a feeling that longs are like lower probability right now. Holy crap, man. I just have a feeling longs are lower probability just because of how much we're dumping right now. So we just swept this low. So a market open will tell me, we'll see if we're bearish or not. We close below this 15-minute, I'll lean more bearish. Though we do still have 30 minutes for this hourly. And we don't have a 4-hour there, so. That's pretty much what I'm going to base it off of. All right, so how long till market open? We got 2 minutes till market open, guys. I want to see how this 15-minute closes. Dang, crypto's feeling it too. Oh my gosh, bro. Let's see how this 15-minute closes. If this 15-minute closes below this, I'm going to look for probably at least this low. I won't look for the hourly low just because the hourly hasn't closed yet and we still have this hourly that could hold. But I'll look for this 15-minute low here because we could look for a long out of this if we wait for it to come down and sweep. Or if we get like set it back up like that. Maybe delivery off a 5-minute. Five-minute SMT. What do you mean? At the if you're talking about, are you talking about the highs? How did that 15 close? 15 closed below, so I'm looking for this. We have those equal highs still. So I think we just gotta close below this. And we'll get that sell side to hit with possible long setup if we deliver here. Now, if we do soup this and get a long setup, we'll have no reason to come back down because it's going to be a low that swooped a low inside of a fair value gap. So it'll be a protected low. So there'll be no reason for us to come back to it. But as of right now, it's not a protected low. Oh dang, I was gonna forward test a 15-second, but no 15-second to forward test. It's gonna forward test it down to the low. One second. All right. Ooh. All right. That's the long I'm looking for right there. Holy crap. This is some crazy volume right now. What are we? 1 micro, bruh? What are we doing? 2 micros, bruh. Holy crap. Camera died, bro. Gonna turn it off for now. Wait, this is a 15-second. Yo, I almost took the wrong setup. All right. Sorry about that. Now, manipulation like here would low-key be crazy. Okay, so there's a SMT there. Seems like we might get that 15-second. Bro, crazy that there's that amount of volume on the 15-second. Oh my gosh, dude. All right, I'm gonna fix my camera battery. A reaction like that with a little bit of a smaller purvey gap, so it wasn't like so like I don't know, so far from partials. Would have made it better. And it was on the 1 minute. But that's the type of reaction you want, just on the 1 minute. I don't know if you guys saw that live reaction, how we kind of just like rejected it really hard. That's what you want on the 1 minute. Like I set up on the 1 minute anyways. So this 15-second doesn't look bad. This 15-second actually looks really good. Ding. Any trades? No, not yet, Halo. And this 15 seconds not good enough for me to take. Not anymore, anyways. If I would have had, if this first candle right here would have just pumped through it, like momentum after sweeping this low, would have been good. But I'm very picky with my 15 seconds. All right, so seems like we're going to go for a lower low than what I expected. After we inverse that 15-minute, I knew we were going to take out at least this, but maybe we'll go for this low with delivery as well. So this low. Okay, now we left equal lows, so can't long. Oh, my camera's still off. I had to change my battery. I'll turn it on. All right, we're good. Bro, no way. The only setups we're getting are 15-second. And they're all and there's equal lows, so sucks. All right, so we're coming down to this liquidity here. So let's see if we sweep it. I'm gonna check for an SMT here. Okay, so SMT at that low. $30 does not look bad. And invalid. Oh, unfortunately, that was an invalid setup. So, and if you took it, you'd have been break even right there, anyways. So, all right. How much you pay to get 30-second time frame? I pay $60 a month, and then I pay $10 a month for live time, because you can't trade without the live data. Okay, let me get rid of this stuff from the left. I don't need any of that. So this is the sell side that I'm looking for right now. TradingView doesn't come with live data. TradingView comes with 10 minutes delayed if you're looking for futures. You have to pay extra $10 for it. I'm pretty sure prop firms come with it, but I already paid for it, so. I'll forward test this tiny little 30-second right here, even though it's not technically valid, but I'll forward test it. Because I used to trade live before I traded with prop firms. Alright, so that would be the entry for that 30-second, though I highly doubt that 30 seconds is going to work. It's the same as trading funded. Though I wasn't using ICT, so I lost a lot. Right now, I'm pretty much break even. Trying to get out of this break even zone, like area right now. At least I'm not losing as much as I used to. What's up, Hurricane? Okay, so we just swept this. Now we can look for good delivery off of this. So we have the hourly here, and we have the 15-minute that we just swept this liquidity. So we could look for this if we possibly get this 30-second right here. I would want to see some quick delivery here. I wouldn't want us to. I'm wanting good momentum based on how the market's been recently. So I would want this to seem like a soup. We've just been dumping recently. But trading funded makes it such that even if you blow your account, you're just losing the money you paid. Yeah, I know. It's the same with trading live. You just lose the money you put in the account. So we have a 1 minute. I don't really like the way that 1 minute looks. I'd probably do these 30 seconds, but I would want the 1 minute to close as well. That's probably how I would do this trade if we get it. Though it doesn't seem like we're going to get it. No way, we just made 2 1 minutes. So now you'd have to take it on these 2 1 minutes instead of those 30 seconds. So let me put it there as well. I don't like that when you put on the 30-second, it doesn't show in the 1 minute. So if I were to do that, I'd probably do 250. Okay, so now the only liquidity we really have left. So we have this liquidity, we have Asia or London low, and then we have this big low down here. Okay. About to see if we get this 1 minute here. Okay, so we did not close above there. I want to see the 30 seconds. We closed above that first 30-second. Now I'm going to want us to close above that second one. Because we had good momentum there. It's just we kind of slowed down. Okay, so we could put in a 1 minute OB here. Okay, so definitely going to have to size down on here. Or wait for a pullback. Only problem is we did take out this 30-second internal. Yeah, I don't know how much I want to take this anymore. It's just that close is crazy. I'm not going to take that. It's just too bad RR for me. In order to get one arm, I would have to look all the way up here. And it took that 30-second internal already. It should hit break even. Okay, so SMT there. So if you do take that, that would be break even there. Okay, then hit the actual break even. No way this hits, bro. Just because I don't take it. Why did it have to give us such a bad close, bro? If it could have given us a close down here, I would have easily taken that. Because that would have been almost full TP already. But now it's like, bro, it's not even 1R yet, dude. Like, what? I don't take negative R trades though. I know Dodgy does just because he has confidence in some of them, but like I don't take negative R trades. Like I'm not looking for that. So we could get a confirmation setup if we come back down here. We deliver off this. Or deliver off this 1 minute. Do we have a 2 minute? Not yet. So for now it would just be this 1 minute. I'm hoping we do get a confirmation setup. Maybe even a liquidity sweep. So like boom, boom, something like that would be cool. Yeah, we'll see. And my headphones died. So if you're in this, definitely move your stop loss to break even. I wouldn't take partials yet, just because it's not at 1 hour. I'm so irritated we got such a bad close on that, dude. The momentum was so, like, bro, that candle's so big, you probably would have had to use 1 micro. I don't know any other way that you would have been able to risk that properly. Let me see. You took with only 1 and went out at 1 hour. Did it hit 1 hour yet? My stop would have been right there, probably. It did hit 1 hour. Yeah, I don't know why I don't know why the market's being like this right now, dude. This is some crazy volatility. I'm gonna send this to the Discord as a setup that I wanted to take but didn't take. I gotta send this. I'm not sending it to the trade recaps because again I didn't take it. I'm sending it to the trading one. Be like was looking at this but didn't take it. All right. All right, it is probably gonna run all the way up to those equal highs. We could look for a short off of something up there. We do have a 15-minute for value gap here. So we'll have to see how we react to it. Should have entered with more, not gonna lie. I don't think so. I mean, how much do you risk? How much do you risk, bro? It would have just hit full. Oh my gosh, not full TP, but I probably would have targeted the equalize. No, that's right here. I would have targeted that if I took it. I would have expected that to come and hit break even just because how close it was, bro. Mine would have been two or 125 point stop or tick stop. Oh, point stop. Oh my gosh, I'm not used to saying points. 125 points, bro. It's crazy. I would have only been able to use 2 contracts, so I would have already taken partials. I should have taken this, bro. What? All the way up to the equalize. No, kind of just waiting to see if we get anything else. I should have entered this, bro. Just would have known it was gonna be like a high chance of it being break even. That's so crazy, bro. That close is actually so annoying, dude. That's the 1 hour per value gap. And this is the inverse for value gap. Bro, no way, bro. I should have taken this. Because if I would have taken it like this, I wouldn't have targeted 2R because we have those equalize. But if I would have taken it like this, I'm not looking for 6R. But if I would have 3.26, I would have looked for. Bro, come on, bro. That's such a pain, bro. I guess we can look for 10 a.m. reversal here once we hit this high. All right. Well, that's it there. Damn, bro, that's so annoying. Oh. All right, let's see if we get a 10 AM reversal here. All right, so we just swept buy side here. Now, only problem with such a big pump like this is we're gonna have to look for like structure, bro. We can't just take it off of nothing. What did Dodgy take it? Oh, he did take it. Yeah, I don't know. That's annoying. That's one that I'm mad I didn't take. Bro, what is wrong with my charts, bro? Is it gonna load the 30-second or not? Bro. Alright, so not taking that first one for obvious reasons. I want to look for some, not like that, just some structure to form here before taking a setup. All right. So we just created a little low here. Let's see if we come back up, maybe resweep this. Yeah, Halo. It's just annoying. Bro, why is it not loading, dude? What's wrong with my chart? All right, there we go. Some type of structure. Let's see if we can Okay, if my chart just doesn't want to load. Anytime I switch it. Maybe we get a 1 minute. We come up, resweep this and get a 1 minute. Because this 30 seconds too small. But now there's pretty much no 30-second. Let's see. Are you gonna take far above closes in the future? I mean that one was just I mean, they work. I just don't normally take them. I mean, there's no reason not to take them except for the RR. But I don't know, I just didn't take it. I've just been being really picky with my trades recently because I'm trying to get my win rate up. I'm trying to not take trades that look bad. And over time you'll kind of build you'll build a what is the word Dodgy uses? It's like your own confidence with the word. It's like your own confidence, but the word I'm looking for is not confidence. I'm gonna grab some food. I'll be right back. I've just been really hesitant on any trades that don't look perfect because I'm trying to get a payout. So I'll build my own. Oh my gosh, bro, I can't remember what the word is. It starts with a C though. It's not confidence. But it starts with a C. Not confluences either. But it's where that Dodgy uses all the time. Or like, it basically. Oh, yo, I'm eating donuts and I'm trying to put powdered sugar on it, and I just dropped the whole thing of powdered sugar on one pancake, bro. Like, what is wrong with my charts, bro? All right. So we are building some structure here. I'm hoping we come back up and get one more sweep before we get a short setup. This first short would have been sub to break even. If it was me anyways. You can see it would have been stopped out there if you didn't move stop to break even. Damn, bro. We're just pumping now. Yo, what is what? Whoa, 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 whoa! What is going on right now, bro? How many points did we just move? Bro, what? Yo. Yo, I gotta talk to someone right now. Bro, that is an insane 2 minute candle. Bro, why is he not answering? Yo, bro. That is insane. I've never seen this. Bro, wait. Let me check my investments, bro. My investments should be up now. I'm up $2. 800 points is crazy. Do I even trade after seeing that? Like, is this good market conditions? Let's be honest. So there is. I haven't taken anything yet. I'm willing to. I wanted to take that long, but it closed too high for my liking. Mm. That short actually wouldn't be that good. It's the first short after a big pump like that. I'm not gonna take it. And just swept liquidity right there. Now let's see our reaction to this liquidity. Oh my gosh, bro. There's no setups here for me to really take unless I take this one. Which again, I don't know if I want to take this one after a big up move like that. We're too high to long. So I don't really want to take this short. If we get a confirmation setup here, I would prefer that. Bro, oh my gosh, my throat's so dry, bro. I'm gonna get water. Okay, so this one should be a break even now if you took it. I just don't like how it was the first one after a big pump, so. All right, let's see. Maybe we get a confirmation set up here. So let's see if we get a confirmation set up. If my chart will load. There we go. Bro, we're just dumping now. I don't even know what to commentate because there's prices just dumping or pumping without really doing anything. We got a good setup earlier. Okay, so still not loaded. Bro, I'm trying to listen to a video because I'm waiting for these charts to actually do something. I don't really have anything to commentate right now, so just chilling, watching the charts, and I'm trying to listen to something while we do that. My headphones were disconnected. So I don't know why this isn't loading. I don't know what is wrong with my charts. Okay, there we go. All right. Holy crap. Yo, I don't know if I can trade this, bro. 800. Okay, so 200 point stop, bro. How would that? It'd be one micro, bro. I can't. Yo, spread is crazy too right now. Okay, there we go. Let's try to get that number there. Okay. No inverse there. Bruh. 250 point stop. All right, let's see. All right, so I'm in there. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna just do 1 hour. And break even is gonna be right here. Ooh, wait. Okay, no SMT yet. All right. All right, so stop loss is right there. Whoa, bro, what is that? I better not have lost. I better not have. Okay. Stop that at break even with that SMT. All right, so I'm gonna send that. I'm gonna send that as a trade to the Discord. Only trade I'm probably gonna take today. I'm gonna be honest. Wait, I gotta add the picture. I almost sent it to the Discord without the picture. All right. So I'm probably just gonna get off, bro. This is some crazy volume right now. I don't know what is going on. I mean, that was a 250 point stop, bro. I'm gonna probably just come back tomorrow. I missed the trade of the day, to be honest. Equal high trade, 3.2R. So yeah, I'm gonna end the stream here. I'm sorry about today. Today's really bad. I mean, actually, this trade was good, but I mean, this volume is like insane. So I don't know what to say about it. So, all right, guys, thank you guys for joining up. And oh, that break even saved us. So first time break even saved us in forever. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for joining up. Hope you guys caught this long here.